Building new habits like jogging every morning or creating new videos every week can be life-changing. But building new habits can also be hard if you don't know the right way to do it. And most people make the same two mistakes over and over again when they try to build new habits. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix those two mistakes. And I'll show you a simple habit building system so you can quickly build new habits to make your life and business even more awesome. Now, also be sure to get the Fast Start Guide for today's video from the link in the description below, so it's easier for you to take action and get results sooner with the ideas that you'll see here. I'm Jay Forno, and over the past few years with my online training courses, I've helped over 4,000 entrepreneurs build online courses to create income and freedom in their lives. The typical way people try to create habits doesn't work because it focuses on the wrong thing in the wrong direction, leaving you frustrated and defeated when your habits fail to take root. Most people fail at creating new positive habits for two simple reasons. So number one, they don't think about and feel who they need to become in order to build the habit to get the outcome. So they don't change their beliefs about their identity and its ability to build the new habit, setting themselves up for self-sabotage and habit failure. And number two, they go about it backwards, ignoring the direction our brain works best in creating new habits. They focus first on the outcome they want, then look for a process that will deliver the outcome, totally ignoring identity, which guarantees a habit won't be built unless you can overpower the process with tons of discipline and willpower. So creating new positive habits is one of the best things you can do to improve your life. They allow less stress and more certainty in your life. Positive habits become automated, full-time engines of success in your life, delivering results easier and faster with less mental effort on your part. And when you string together a system of little habits towards reaching big goals, these habits build on each other like compound interest, giving you a lot more results for much less time and effort. So next, I'm going to show you how to create successful habits the right way by focusing on just two simple things: your identity and the direction you build habits in. So before we move on, remember to get the Fast Start Guide for today's video with the link in the description below. So step one is identity. You need to focus on who you wish to become, not what you want to achieve. Your goal is not to get the results you want. Your goal is to become the type of person who naturally and automatically practices positive character traits that gets you what you want, like being 100% responsible for your actions and outcomes so that you have the power to create positive change in your life. Being committed to doing what you need to do to get what you want no matter what. Being conscientious, where you always strive to do things right and with great care. So every time you want to create a new habit, first, ask yourself the identity of results question, which goes like this. Ask yourself, what type of person would I be? What would I do? And how would I feel if I already had this habit established and giving me the result that I want? So write that down. Remember this, it's really important. It's the identity of results question. And the identity of results question is asking yourself, what type of person would I be? What would I do and how would I feel if I already had this habit established and giving me the result that I want? Now, once you become, believe, and feel you are the type of person who naturally practices these character traits, you'll easily create the positive habits you want automatically and get the results you want day in and day out. Success will then become automatic and effortless for you. So instead of saying, I want this, say, I am the type of person who naturally does the wholesome things it takes to get this. This gives you certainty and confidence because now you're the type of person who automatically gets the results that you want day in and day out in a positive and wholesome way. Okay, so step two on creating successful habits is about the direction of change that you follow when you try to establish your habit. You see, Most people work in the wrong direction as they try to build habits. They focus on the result and then the process to get that result. And this is backwards because it fails to change your identity. This means that your habit will fail to take hold. Because you truly won't believe you are the type of person who will practice this habit regularly. So an easy way to remind yourself to always start thinking about and building habits in the right direction is to start each habit building process by asking the identity of results question that we talked about in step 1, which is, what type of person would I be, what would I do, and how would I feel if I already had this habit established and giving me the results that I want? So the solution is to build your habits from the inside out by taking action from identity to the process you follow to the results you get with 3 steps. Step number 1 is to decide on the type of person you want to be who has the character traits of someone who would naturally do the things that build the habits and create the results that you want. Step number 2 is to take action on these positive habits and notice how you feel as you make small wins along the way. This step gives you 3 powerful things. Powerful thing number 1 is that you'll automate your actions to make the process of achieving your goals faster and easier. I mean, this is a no-brainer. Powerful thing number 2 is you'll build the belief in your subconscious that you really are the type of person who always does the right thing to get what you want, which makes the related habit that much more likely to stick. And 2, you'll enjoy the small wins with positive emotional rewards every day, not just after reaching your goals, so you'll fall in love with the journey and the destination, with the process and the outcome, which is a powerful combination for success in any area. And finally, step 3 is where you enjoy your results automatically day in and day out from your new positive automatic habits. So the big benefits of the idea of this video where you focus on your identity with positive character traits and feelings first, and then you work from the inside out to build your habits are you create permanent positive habits and routines. You become the person who gets the positive, wholesome results you want naturally, automatically, and effortlessly. The process and journey toward your goals becomes just as much fun as reaching the goals themselves. You easily get into the flow state of being in the zone where time just flies by and your work becomes effortless. You stop self-sabotaging yourself, since every small win is proving to your subconscious mind that your new habits are a good change and they won't threaten your survival. Okay, so now it's time to get out there and take action with the ideas you learned on this video, right? So decide on a few important habits you want to build, and then remember to ask the identity to results question, which is, what type of person would I be? What would I do? And how would I feel if I already had the habit established and given me the result that I want? And then start taking action on this right away. This process of habit building can be life-changing. But when people don't take action with it right away to start building habits, they forget what it's all about. And then they slip back into their former routine, and then nothing changes or improves in their life. Don't be like most people. Learn and remember the ideas in this video on habit change and take action with it right away so you can start making your life even better sooner. So to help you with creating your own success habits, I put together a free PDF summary of what we talked about here on a link in the description below. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.